I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
So hi! We're back for another episode of Medyo Cooking Show. We have a guest. Say hi!
Hi!
So Aida's gonna assist me on cooking our dish for today. Fried chicken with corn flakes.
That's the funniest dish ever. Corn flakes with...
Chicken. So first we have to slice
That's a
it.
chicken leg.
It's a chicken leg.
Cock-a-doodle doo.
Of your corn flakes, I'll put it here, okay? Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna crush it like this. So you make it small, okay? So guys, regular na chicken thigh and leg. You're doing the right thing. Then we have paprika, regular paprika, garlic powder, then salt. Then we put a little milk to marinate, okay?
I like milk.
So we just let this rest. We have flour, regular all-purpose flour. Then we're gonna crack 4 eggs. You know how to crack an egg, no? Are you sure you can do it? Oh, sige, sige. I'll hold it for you. Oh my God! Going back. So we have our egg. We beat eggs. 4 eggs. It's time to bread our chicken. You know what's tak-tak?
Yeah, like this. Tick, tick.
Oh! Then dip it.
See?
Okay, drop it there.
Wow.
Should we start frying the chicken? Okay, start frying
sure.
the chicken. Be careful.
Oh, it's sizzling. That's just like a sizzle machine.
What's your favorite part of a chicken?
The flour, it's so soft, that's why. This is already looking so good. What if like bees come here and then they'll go get it and then they put it in their beehives?
Too much YouTube.